The 2008 Infiniti G35. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, power front seats, high-intensity discharge headlights, and much more. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.